Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, liquidity might be back in the NFT marketplace. That's right, in today's video, we're going to be going over the marketplace, a couple of upcoming NFT projects, and a few undervalued ones as well. My name is Jerzy, and welcome on back to the YouTube channel. Guys, I want to be a little bit more consistent on uploads. I'm going to try my best to be a YouTuber again, and just give it my all. Without further ado, happy Halloween to everyone out there that celebrates it. Hope you guys are having a good day. Be sure to go ahead and drop a comment with your Halloween plans. I'd love to know what you guys are up to. And without further ado, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I am quite simply spewing my own opinions about projects. So please do your own research. With the recent anticipation behind Utes reveal, the tubes are now sitting at a 118 Solana floor price with 322 listed out of 15,000 supply. We've been seeing a ton of sneak peeks and a ton of mystery around Utes and when the reveal might just be. This having to do with a bunch of tweets and things Frank has said recently, and I think the market's getting very excited for this reveal. I know I am, bro. I want to see my fucking Utes. Other than that, we did have Liberty Square, the Hollow, their newest collection of a 9,999 piece collection, minted out. It did great. This minted yesterday on the 30th, and this was technically a free / use their token mint, as you could get airdropped their tokens to mint these, or you could use the token you get from staking, their filth token, and then there was a public mint as well. I did pick up 5 of these pre-reveal. I am looking forward to seeing what I get. There are a few legendaries out there as well, and the main collection being the squirrels are sitting at a 10 Solana floor price with 130,000 traded Solana volume, with about 3% of the entire collection listed. And we've seen quite a few of these, like more rare factions, going for quite a bit of Solana. Lily, a project that is minting very soon, so it says. Brought to you by the same project at the Lotus Gang. This is the project sitting at a 15 Solana floor price, and it's a 4,000 size collection as well. At the current moment in time behind Lily, there is not a lot of public information around the project. All we know is there's currently a game called Silk Road that is hosting whitelist tournaments for you to be able to find keys and codes to get whitelists for this Lily PFP mint. Something they state here about the Lily list is something pretty fucking cool. You either have to hold one of their Lotus Gang NFTs or one of their Wrap Pack NFTs as well to get whitelisted. And you can also find 8-digit codes around their game, around Twitter maybe, Discord, surprise little pop-ups. And they will not be doing any DAO collabs. Meaning if you're a big project on Solana and you're like, yo, I want to do a DAO collab with you guys, they're not doing that. So behind the Lotus vision, the Lotus is a burst of purity in muddy waters. What does that mean exactly? I don't know. So here on step 2, they're talking about learning, the frisson, your experience, and your discoverability about what you learn and do and grow throughout aspects of your life, including Web3 and digitalization. Step 3 talks about community and how they're working on rationalizing beliefs and providing a better future. Step 3 here just talk about community and rationalization and better future opportunities for the community throughout their efforts. At the moment, like I said, there is not a lot of information regarding Lily. Here we're going to dive into the values behind the project and what they hope to see in all of their holders. Learning, frisson, growth, and that's about it. Join the gang. Again, there's still quite a bit to unload behind Lotus Gang, behind Lily, and what's to come throughout their newest expansion into the Solana ecosystem. But let's talk about Claynosaurz. Claynosaurz is a 10,000 size project. They've been on Twitter since December 2021, about the same time I started this YouTube channel. I saw these things a year ago. It took them a while to get the attention they deserve, but I really do think they have that hype. And I think they're executing a very well done project. They are going for this hyper realistic looking claymation NFTs that are fully animated, moving, walking, facial expressions, traits. And we do see quite a bit of a concept, scenery, kind of behind the scenes things behind the project. And it seems this project is working on creating some sort of animation film-like studio vibe to it. Again, there's no website at the moment. We do have a sneak peek of a game, and the levels of the game can be seen on screen here. We have stuff like classes and explorations, different kinds of chests or coconuts and potions. There's also jade armor leaves, bamboo straps, marshmallow plants. So it seems like this could be some sort of a idle or kind of like gain and grow and earn sort of crawler. Again, not 100% sure. It could be a mobile game vibe as well, where you kind of build up a little army, build up a little town, and then you get a running dinosaur that can protect it. But of course, without that, there is going to be a PFP for these, which do look very good. The detail behind these things zoomed up and up close do look great. And I think with this animation level of detail and this kind of like studio vibe behind it, I'm pretty fucking bullish on the right one. I do want to take a little bit of a bet here. I want to see what you guys think. Will Liberty Square's new hollowed collection, PFP, reveal first, or will Utes? Which one's gonna reveal first? Let me know down below in the comment section. In other news for the market, we now have Blocksmith Labs being renamed to Smiths. That's right, Smiths are now under the Blocksmith Labs creator page as a part of the umbrella. Could this be something to do with the new artwork upgrade? Could this be two totally different collections if you decide to upgrade yours to a new collection? Or is it going to be a metadata change that just updates the current collection? Again, like I've said for months and months and months now, I'm extremely bullish on BSL. I think it's one of the best projects out there on Solana. They've always maintained a high floor price, transparency, and overall the builders on their development team, well, the whole entire team is fucking devs, but they've just done the most, right? They've just actively been here throughout bears and bulls. Again, back to Utes, I do want to look at the activity for the day as well. Damn, a lot of sales are coming through here. This is looking very, very good. I'm getting pretty excited about Utes, man. Again, we don't know when it's gonna be. I was hoping it'd be Halloween, right? I really did. I was hoping it'd be this Monday. Monday's a great day for trading, right? Magic Eden's at 95,000 traded volume today on a Monday, which is really good, but we're getting there, baby. There are a couple of DeGods on sale as well. I fucking hate this head trait. The stick trait is terrible in my opinion. Sorry, Frank, I love you. But the hell background going for 290 is crazy. And just seeing all like the good, rare looking ones being listed for a low right now, it is what it is. Will we see a dip on Utes post reveal, or are we gonna see more of a run up? Do we think we'll see more exit liquidity or more smart money inflow from this reveal? Enter the Hashverse. I do want to take a look at a couple of the launchpad pages coming up very, very soon for Magic Eden, and we have the Age of Sam PFP. Enter the Hashverse was Ethereum. Sorry, don't know much about it. But we do have Art Gobblers, Experimental Decentralized Art Factory. Okay, wait. You can play around with our draw tool on desktop or iPad. Start drawing. I want to freaking draw. How does this work? Can I just like, do I just like draw whatever I, okay. Did I just make an NFT? Yeah, 500 soul. And then Age of Sam PFP collection did mint. They do look really good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very impressed with this upgrade from their current like avatars. These PFPs look sick, and I think they're all animated as well, right? Yeah, they are animated. Wow. We made a video on Age of Sam a while ago about their missions, their staking, their explorations, their questing kind of units. Personally, I haven't done much research on the PFP collection myself. Age of Sam is an epic sci-fi idle game played in the browser. Find and equip gear, weapons, and special utility items to complete missions and progress the story. So a story-driven idle sort of dungeon crawler loot grind game in your browser. Looks sick. It does, however, remind me of Remnants. Remnants being one of the best idle kind of grind dungeon crawler games out there. A lot of expansion, a lot of updates behind this game. The female collection and the male collection merging together as well. And just shouts out to the fucking team on Remnants, bro. They've been here for a while and they've made some very good impacts. But yo, I think that's gonna do it for your boy. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please drop a like and a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you're new as well. Really, guys, I do want to come back to YouTube. I'm gonna try my hardest to get back on the grind. And it's been a while since I've streamed, and I used to stream like 3 to 4 times a week. So coming back, baby. Turn on notifications. I appreciate you guys so much. New experiments announcement just went live as well. Heart holders, we got something coming for you. Everyone else, we got something coming for you as well. All right, guys, have a great day. I fucking love you. Peace out.